Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with meteorologist Bill Alexander.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Turned out to be kind of a coolish sort of day, but we did finally crawl up to 72 degrees, morning low of 55, and no rain officially at Corpus Christi International. That puts us about 3.5 inches below normal for the year. So, after yesterday's abundant rains, today just didn't happen. We weren't anticipating any, with the energy from that system now well removed from the area into southeastern parts of the United States. Lingering cloud covers not producing much in the way of any rain. A little bit of shower activity out in the mountains of northern Mexico. Maybe a sprinkle or two down around Pleasanton, but other than that, things are quiet. Now, yesterday's fairly chilly air has moderated some because of its shallowness being impacted on the top and around by more warm either continental air or Gulf moisture, and that's tending to moderate things. You've got 60s over much of the central and northern part of the state and 70s elsewhere. In fact, locally, that's what you're seeing here, lower to middle 70s. The outside change there is Hebbronville at 68 degrees. The difference now with that more easterly flow, you've got dew points rising up into the middle, even upper 60s. So we're going to see visibility, which is good right now, 8 to 10 miles, begin to deteriorate a little bit during the evening and then really fall down considerably after midnight. So by your morning drive time, we're going to see visibilities down to a mile or less. So prepare yourself for that. Also prepare yourself for the beginning of some shower activity that will work its way inland as we go through your Monday. Reason for that, the cold air mass, which is now moderating, will be retreating to the northeast, putting us back into that tropical air, warmer, more humid, and more unstable. So you get a little bit of a sea breeze impact tomorrow and that isolated shower or two. You'll see more of that again on your Tuesday, but rainfall amounts again are going to be fairly modest, 1, 2, maybe 3/100ths of an inch over the next couple of days. So don't count on any relief from the ongoing drought. Here's what it looks like winds. Easterly winds during the overnight, variable, and then a very weak sea breeze tomorrow. But look at Tuesday's sea breeze. Really jumps in there with some pretty accentuated east-southeasterly flow. And that brings the moisture in, more heat during the course of the work week. And so you'll see a few showers on your Monday and again on your Tuesday. Wednesday not going to happen. What we'll see instead is the impact of that ridge. But by Thursday, this big upper low, it spews out a piece of energy that produces good thunderstorms Thursday, and then brings a cold front in for your Friday, and with more rain and thunderstorms both Friday and Saturday, but it lifts out quickly, so Sunday is looking great. So 3 really wet days coming up at the end of the week, but for tonight, fog is going to be the issue, low in the middle 60s, and that easterly wind keeping the moisture in place, warming us up a bit tomorrow into the middle, even upper 70s, which is feeling pretty good. So here's what we're going to be seeing. Temperatures rising well into the 80s with isolated showers and thunderstorms Monday and Tuesday. Numerous thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then clearing out for your Sunday. Temperatures at or slightly above normal for this time of the year.